Welcome back guys. Today I will show you how to add fingerprint or biometric on your Samsung Galaxy A13. For that we will need to go to the settings. So let's open the settings first. Scroll down a bit and here you will see biometrics and security. Open it. And here the second option you will see is fingerprints. Go to it. And now tap continue. And now here you will need to set pattern, pin or password. This is necessary, so you need to set any of those. I am going with pin. Just type the pin and tap next. Type again for confirmation and tap next. And now you can see from the animation that we need to place our thumb or finger on the power button to add that fingerprint. Like this. Don't press the power key, just place your thumb on the power key and continue to do this until 100% complete. Each time try to place your thumb in the different angle so it can read your thumb properly. And that's it. Now tap done. If you want to back up your pin, you can tap agree, but I don't need this. So let's go to home and lock to test our fingerprint. So here you can see it's working good. Yeah, good speed and accuracy. So that's how you can add fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A13. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.